In this challenge, we have task in pointers in C language. What exactly is a pointer? A pointer is a variable which is used to hold address of another variable. A variable which is used to hold the address of another variable. If I declare a statement int a semicolon, a declaration statement int a semicolon, a pointer declaration is int star p semicolon, a variable preceded with an asterisk symbol. The star symbol is a pointer, and a pointer is used to hold the address of another variable. If the statement int a comma star p semicolon, if you write p is equal to and a semicolon, p is used to hold the address of a. So whenever you want to access the memory address of a variable, let it be VAL, you need to precede it with ampersand symbol, and symbol. If you put and VAL, it returns the memory address of VAL. Look at the example, int star p is equal to and VAL. Here p is a pointer variable which holds the address, memory address of VAL. So a simple demo provided here, pointers and functions combination. What is the name of the function here? Increment with one parameter v, and what's happening inside? What is inside function body? Star v plus plus. It's prototype 2. Functions with prototype 2. Functions with arguments with no return values. So look at the main block. So we have variable a. Look at that, increment and a. That is your function call. And a, you are passing the address. You are passing the address at the receiving end. We have pointer. We must have a pointer at the receiving end. Star v. This is a simple demo. Based on this, we are going to solve the challenge. So what is the task? It's a simple task. You take any two integer pointers and you need to add, look at that, a plus b, and you need to subtract a minus b, and it's an absolute difference. We must use ABS, the function ABS, absolute. So if it is 4 and 5, and 4 plus 5 is 9, and 4 minus 5, a negative number, absolute is 1. So this is what we are provided with. Look at the things clearly. Line number 3 is your function definition, void update with two parameters a and b. You need to complete this function. Everything is provided here. No need of writing full code. Everything is provided here. What is required is you need to complete this function. And main program, declaration, assignments, function call, necessary scanf statements, everything is provided here. Look at the main program. Two variables are declared a and b, and we have two pointers, star pa and star pb, and one is used to hold the address of a, other one is used to hold the address of b. And look at the scanf with percentage space %d, and update pa comma pb is your function call. So you are supposed to complete this function. Look at the code. So int x comma y, and x is equal to star a plus star b. No confusion regarding actual parameters and formal parameters. I just want to mention something here. Just go back to main program and look at line number 15. Star pa is equal to and a. And most of the people do write it like int star pa semicolon and pa is equal to and a. So no confusion regarding this. So star a plus star b is addition, and during subtraction we are supposed to use ABS, absolute, which converts a negative number to positive number. So those who are having problem with pointers, look at this line number 22 and 23, which is nowhere, which I just added, and nowhere concerned with the challenge here. So if there is a declaration like int a comma start p, a is an ordinary variable and p is a pointer variable. If you write statement like p is equal to and a, p holds address of a, and what is very important here is if p holds address of a, then star p holds value of a. That is to be observed. So if p holds address of a, then star p holds value of a. This is very important in pointers. So we just solved all the interaction challenges in C.